Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can embed a video on your Twitter app. So here when I open up my Twitter, you can see that here is the video that I want to embed. So first you need to click on this tweet and then scroll down and you need to click on this share icon. From here you need to click on copy link and then all you need to do is go to your browser on your phone and then paste this link. This will open up the tweet on the Twitter. So now you need to click on the three dots on the top right and then click on desktop side. This will view the desktop version of Twitter. So now you can see that right next to the S-Pen FC you will see three dots. You need to click on these three dots and here in the bottom you will see a menu has appeared. You need to click on embed tweet. After clicking on it, a new page will open. From here you need to copy the code. So my code has been copied. Now all you need to do is go to your Twitter app and then here you need to write a new tweet and then paste that code. So here you need to delete all of the text except this pic to MTV. Delete all of the text except this one. So I will delete that and then I will delete the after one as well. Delete these arrows. So only you want is pic till MTV. Now if you want to write a caption, write it. This is my new video and then click on tweet. So my tweet was sent. Now if I go to my profile, you will see that I have posted the video. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.